In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save chat history in NotebookLM and keep important responses as notes for easy reference later. To get started, open the notebook and Elm notebook you want to work in. Each notebook has its own chat section where you can ask questions based on the sources you've added. Now enter your question in the chat section and wait for NotebookLM to generate a response. Your recent chat threads are saved across sessions on your account, so you can leave the notebook and return later without losing the conversation. Quick side note, for more straightforward NotebookLM tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. If there's a particular answer you want to keep separately, find that response in the chat. At the bottom of the response block, click Save to Note. This saves the response to your notebook's notes, making it easier to revisit as a standalone reference instead of searching through the full chat thread. And that's it. Your NotebookLM chat history is saved automatically, and any important responses can be saved directly to your notes.